welcome back to my channel and welcome back to part 5 and the end of the jeweler series with this video. So the last video of jeweler series includes my watch collection. So there are a lot different of watch collections that I have. So I thought to share with you all guys about my watch collection, and today I'm showing you my different kinds of watch collections, which includes few of my mom's also. So I'll be sharing everything. Let's get into the video. So the first watch is the newly gifted watch from my parents for my birthday. That is from Joker and Witch. So in this the watches are in very reasonable prices, and day to day there are a lot of offers and discounts that are happening in the Joker and Witch website. So if you want, you can check it out, and also there are watches along with the bracelets also, so you can purchase in that way. But I liked only the watch. So but the design of the tiles in the Joker and Witch are just awesome, but the quality of strap is not that expected. So this is how it looks, the black color, so with a golden color dial, just a unique dial, right? So overall it looks like this. It's the smartwatches which are in trend and also trending. So this smartwatch is from Chumba. So Chumba provides us with a cute collection of watches, and maximum of my watch collection are from Chumbak itself. I'll show with you guys. So now let's look into the Chumbak watch. The specialty of Chumbak smartwatches are they come in design of the straps. So straps doesn't plain, they come in a very good detailing design. So in this there contains a leaf, duck, like in such way it contains. So it's such a good one on the whole black strap. Facilities in this. So there are only limited facilities in this smartwatch, and there is another which is my brother's, but I'm using it. So this is the normal plain style smartwatch, but this has a lot of features compared to the Chumbak one. But the Chumbak you can purchase it for kids, right? But using of smartwatches is on regular basis is also not recommended, as we keep it to our wrist. So as it is a smartwatch, it is connected to some sensor, something such. So it is harmful to keep to our wrist for a long time, and also use it on the occasionally or not on the regular purposes. The next one comes the unique watch collection. So watch this over here. We get a S letter dial, as my name is S Samhita. So dial is in that way. So and these are the different threads that we get for the watch, so that according to your outfit you can match it according to that. So there are wear a dress according to the color of it, you can match this stripe. I share my childhood watch collection which are not working, but I stored it as a memory, so I'll be sharing those also with you guys. And these watches, so I'll be sharing each and every one in detail. So yesterday itself my parents went and changed few of the straps. So this actually strap my mother has told them to wear the brown color, as it doesn't have in the brown color. So I really like this strap. And the next one goes this one. This is also from Chumba, but as I use this strap for a long time, the color got faded off. It's almost 3 to 2 years I've used it. So even for this strap is in green color, and look at this dial. Such a cute dial, and this green color is also such a pretty one. I doesn't have watches in green color, but this green strap really helps me. And next one is also Chumbak strap, Chumbak watch. This strap didn't get spoiled because these I really used. That one I used to keep for my school and college, that's why the strap got damaged. But using occasionally, it looks the dial, all the design on it, and strap, it's like a knitting work on the strap. And the next one is this white watch. So such a pretty watch. Look at this, guys. So how pretty it looks with the white strap, and the dial is such a, it has the glossy finish on it, dial. So such a shining one, and the white strap is also changed. This watch actually contains the white strap, but it got damaged, and again the same white strap got fitted to this. So this is also my favorite, a shade in brown. I'm the person who likes all the different shades in brown color. So this is one such in that. And look at this. This is my first watch in Chumbak, such a memorable watch. And look at the dial, the detailing inside of it, and this stuff. Such a casual or any kind of watches, go and check it out. The Chumbak, you'll just love it. So one more watch from Chumbak. So with the red star. So I mostly have all the colors of watches matching to my every outfit. And next one is this yellow watch, which is my favorite watch. So actually, though this detailing is so minimal and so normal, look at that, it is such a cute one. And this strap, this not the exact yellow color, like the shade in yellow one, such a cute one it is. Right, even this watch is such a pretty one. See, with the red star and zigzag lines on it. This one more watch. So this is also from Fastrack, and this is also one of my favorite watches which enter into my favorite list. The dial, and this is the shiny pink color watch. Such a pretty one. Watch is actually my mom's, but every time so look at this flower design inside. You can't see clear in the camera, but the flower design is such a cute one. And the chain watch is one of the best chain watches that I have. And one more my mom only have. Actually, the chain watches doesn't suit my hand. That's the reason I won't take it. So this one more chain watch, my mom. This is a nostalgic piece, as it's a first watch, and also I was a kid when she has this watch, and such a cute one, though it didn't get any damage since the time. What a gift from Sonata is this unique watch. So such a pretty one for the classic wears. This is perfectly suit. Anniversary, my father had gifted my mom this watch. And look at this, such a pretty one, though it's a small dial, but it's such a pretty and a very classic piece. Watches, and let me show you my childhood watches. Let's see this flower watch, all the 5 petals, and even the strap has the very good detailing on it. So in childhood we used to like these kind of watches very much, and this one also such a good one. Like, and even the strap of this is such a good one. I doesn't know whether this mine's or my brother's. And this is one of my favorite watch. It's a very old watch of mine. See, look at this cute pretty one. And though it doesn't contain straps, this has the cute pink color strap and white design. Look at the flower inside of it. And this one, I guess every kid has this kind of watch. This gets hat and the orange strap. So open it, you're gonna get this. So see, such a pretty ones. Really, those days are the best days. And yeah, this is my watch collection. I really enjoy shooting this video, and from long time. So before this jewelry haul series only, I had planned to share my watch collection, but didn't got the best content. But now, as this series has already started, I thought this would be the best time to share my watch collection. I hope you all like this watch collection, and that's it. The end of the jewelry series come to end with this video. I guess you all like the jewelry haul series, and want any kind of this kind of videos, just let me know in comment section. I'll be shooting those. And that's it for this video. Hope you all liked it. So the links of previous videos will be in description. You can go and check it out. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. And also click the bell icon with the subscribe button so which you upload you get the immediate notification. Bye guys. Let's meet next week with a new video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.